He's stuck. I think.
Okay, what town are we in? Holy Mother of Luna.
Get it rolling.
Oh my God! Tell me he got out. Just tell me he got out.
Did that roll? How do you leave that?
Yes, I had it rolling.
How do you leave that?
It was like watching TV.
Jump in the trap. You better back up.
Oh, is anyone behind us? Is anyone? What town are we in? Myrrh?
Yeah.
Wow. This is October 5th, Sunday. It's 1